1, 2, 3. Checking 1, 2, 3. We're live here. Checking. Sounds good on the camera. Just wait for it to push over here onto the preview settings here. So we're just talking normal here, making sure the sound is good. Just waiting for that preview thing to pop up and turn blue. Checking 1, 2, 3. Checking 1, 2, 3. Checking 1, 2, 3. Takes a few minutes because we're on a good connection here. Checking 1, 2, 3. Done Sinatiga Son Tony McNabb coming at you live from my headquarters. So we're just waiting for it to push over on my side here. Shouldn't take too long depending on who's all on the frickin' connection here. But it should turn blue right away. There we go. Preview. We got good connection. Hit OK. In a couple seconds we'll be able to start streaming. So she'll be able to wear the mic just like this, just like normal, just so that we're getting good sound, and then we can start streaming right now. There we go. And it should be live, and I think we're live here already. So anyways, how this is set up is we got the Panasonic HD handheld video camera with transceiver mic on top on the shoe, and of course the lapel mic here. We've got the Blackmagic design encoder, which is this guy right here. This is the sucker that does all the processing, so that does all the work so that the computer doesn't have to push and work so hard. Got the of course we're doing this through YouTube. It's a licensing agreement arrangement that Wirecast, Livestream, Ustream, and all those other streaming software companies have. But in this case, we're using Wirecast for YouTube. 6.0 is the version number. License is ours for the lifetime of the product. Covers all updates and fixes. When you purchase this Blackmagic design encoder, we got this online through a reputable site. It comes with the Media Express, I believe it's called. Sure. Blackmagic Media Express. So that's the software that does the pushing from the encoder to the Wirecast software. And then from there what happens is it gets pushed from the Wirecast, what I'm looking at on the left here, to the YouTube, our YouTube channel that I've set up, called in this case T4EA Office AV test number 2. So we're going to make sure that we got a good sound here for a event that'll be happening in the Fort Capel Library, at the Fort Capel Library on Friday at 2 o'clock. We'll make sure the stream's set up at quarter to 2, and we'll capture the contents of Dr. Akus's book signing talk that we've partnered up with the, I think it's called the Southeast Library Division, and us here at Trudy for Educational Alliance. So we've done a little bit of testing here. What I'm going to do is turn off, actually, you know what, I'm going to see if I can set up an IP camera with my with the phone here to see if it's possible. I don't know if I have to do that ahead of time, but we'll give it a go. Sources, new, it might cut out, hopefully it doesn't. New Wirecast camera, let's see, built in, nope. Let me see if this works, because I got this Wirecast right here. Let me see if it works, because I got the Wirecast app. So we go into settings, and then IP address. Oh, I gotta make sure I'm on the Wi-Fi, I guess, first of all. The Wi-Fi, the free Wi-Fi. So I'll put us on the Arrowhive access point called T4EA Arrowhive. So then now we should have an IP address. So let's see what it comes up with. 192.680.17. Let's see if that works. 192.680.0.17. And let's see if it connects. Low latency, let's go normal. Hit enter on this.